Hello everyone, welcome here. FAQs this course. So what you are going to be learning, frequently asked questions what you may have. See, what do I need before learning this course? A basic computer operating if you know. Yes, you can start learning this full stack development course. Is there any source code provided for this course? Yes, the source code which is written for real world examples are shown in the video lectures. You just make a note of your notebook and try to adding your own examples and practice very well. Any computer requirements for this course? Yes, basic computer internet connected active for video lectures, and you have to install free softwares. We have suggested according to the section wise what the requirements of minimum requirements of the standards, which are going to be installing like a Python and PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server and MySQL. These is database servers which is consist of minimum 8 GB of memory, and at least 2 core of processor is essential to use your computer machine to start learning. And most cases we are used Windows operating system, and also ensure that if you are comfortable in any other operating system, ensure to start learning these course criteria which softwares we have used which are comfortable. I'll see you at the course. Thank you.